guys, hope you all are well and really cool. And today, with a deep breath, we start our topic. That is, today we're gonna see how to download a YouTube video to your desktop or to your PC. So, let's go into the video. Okay, everyone. So now I'm on my web browser. You can choose any web browser that you want. I'm on Chrome, and choose the video that you want to download. And just click on share and just copy the link which is over here. After copying the link, click on a new tab and type save from net. After typing, click on the first link that you can see. And on this box, you can paste the link and click on download. And click this button download again. And you can save it on your desktop. So this is how you can download YouTube videos from YouTube for free.
Guys, hope you all like this video. So share it to your friends and family members and like this video. And if you are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video.